Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone not receiving text from one person. So to start, open your phone settings. Then from settings, go to the bottom and look for apps. Then open it. Then from here, look for messages. So scroll down and look for messages. Open it. Then scroll down to iMessage and make sure this is turned on and enabled. Next, scroll down to block contacts. So look for block contacts, then open it. Now make sure you have not accidentally blocked the contact you're trying to receive messages from. So if you do see the contact from here, just swipe it to the right side, then click on unblock. So click on unblock, and you should receive a message from that person. Now, this still doesn't fix the issue. Close settings and open messages. Then from here, open the message or the conversation. Then tap on their name at the top or their profile. Then from here, make sure hide alerts is turned off or disabled. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to receive messages from another person. And that should fix your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching.